Stop guessing at map changes. Join me, Simon White, for a live 2-hour webinar masterclass on StageX diesel ECU tuning. Learn the right way to tune an ECU safely and professionally. We'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how we approach tuning, understanding the logic and strategies in the ECU, how we make the changes to our torque requests, torque limits, turbo pressure strategy maps, fueling, timing, and many more to fully optimize a standard ECU to make it the best it possibly can be for performance tuning and to improve the economy of the vehicle. This course is important for both newcomers to StageX and experienced professional tuners to hone your skills and understanding of the StageX platform for safe tuning of these vehicles. It's only £299 for this 2-hour masterclass live course. Secure your spot today to make sure you don't miss this fantastic course for this live 2-hour webinar masterclass on StageX diesel tuning.